Gun laws are getting another new look in Ohio. After signing a controversial Stay in Your Ground law last year, Governor Mike DeWine now has put his name on legislation concerning concealed carry. It was breaking news last night at 6.
That law takes effect in June, making Ohio a permitless carry state. Now that means Ohioans 21 years of age and older who can legally buy a gun can carry a concealed weapon without the 8 hours of training, the background check, or the county sheriff's application required right now. Today, lawmakers on both sides of the issue spoke with News 5 about that shift. Ohio just became the 23rd state in the nation to allow permitless carry, much to the dismay of Democrats who did not cast a single vote for that legislation.
I'm just really devastated, and it's really a sad time for Ohioans everywhere. I don't understand the logic.
But to one of the bill's co-sponsors, this is really only getting us back to basics.
We all take an oath of office to support the Constitution when we get elected. And I think that includes even some things that aren't necessarily popular.
Republican lawmaker Jamie Callender from Mentor says every American has the right to own a gun, and they should not have to put their name in a government registry to exercise that right.
Because they have the right to carry it, and why should you have to go register with a state agency?
But Cleveland Representative Shayla Davis does not think a registry is a problem.
I think it's very beneficial, especially for our safety forces, right?
She says police are already approaching vehicles during traffic stops on high alert, but once we live in a state where anyone could be armed, untrained, and not have to tell law enforcement,
they have to walk up on 10. The reality is that can be very dangerous in Black and brown communities for a variety of reasons.
Both lawmakers agree training for gun owners is essential, but they disagree about whether the state should mandate that training.
I just became a gun owner 2 years ago, and the training was so important for me to understand how to handle a gun, to understand what this weapon is actually for.
If you require proof of training, then by definition, you have some kind of government reporting that's occurring.
Governor DeWine signed the new law yesterday. It takes effect in 90 days. That means Ohio becomes a permitless carry state June 13th.